One of the cool things about living in the country on acreage is you get to eat stuff off your land. And I'm not a gardener. I don't grow any of my own shit. I'm really bad at it. But you know, the apples grow themselves, and so does the wild asparagus and the plums and the raspberries and the gooseberries and the mushrooms. Now this is a puffball mushroom, and they feel like rubber, and they don't seem natural, but they are, and you can eat them. Literally just pull them off the ground here, and there you go. You got a giant mushroom ball. Now, I tried this once last year, and I didn't have a whole lot of kitchen space because our old house had a lot smaller kitchen, and I was just sort of winging what I was doing, and it was okay, but it didn't turn out great. But I wanted to try one again and try something different, and I just found this one, and it's perfect, so Emily doesn't know it yet, but this is what we're having for dinner, or at least part of it. And a little bit of shake and bake to cut up our mushroom. Now we're going to batter these by dipping them in egg and then the breading, and we're going to throw them in the air fryer. Alright, got that done. Get this going at, I don't know, 375 till it looks crispy, I guess. And since I only have so much air fryer space and breading available, and I've got a lot more, like a lot more mushroom, I'm gonna try sauteing some of it as well. Okay, due to a recording mishap, I didn't record anything that I thought I was recording, so it's all broken up and in here now. I've added minced garlic, soy sauce, because this stuff kind of seems like tofu, and that seems like a good idea, and garlic salt, because in including mixed garlic, you can't have too much garlic, so you need more garlic. And then eel sauce. You know, sushi sauce, again, seems like tofu. Eel sauce goes with everything. If you haven't had it, you need to have it. Best sauce known to man. And then you know what? I think this could use one more ingredient. And that ingredient is, of course, more butter. Some guys like butter. All right, let that start cooking. It will shrink down a lot because this thing's mostly water. I'm also gonna add some imitation crab because it's Emily's favorite. I think it'll go good with this. Our air-fried ones are done, and our sauteed ones are done, so I'm going to go get Emily, and we're going to see what it tastes like. Emily doesn't want to be on camera, so she's sitting next to me and going to try it, and we'll find out what she has to say, but you only get to see me eat it right now. Oh, that's actually really good.
It's a really weird texture.
It is.
Because it's like a marshmallow, it like melts in your mouth kind of, but then it's crunchy on the outside.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
The flavor is good though.
Yeah. All right. Now the sauteed stuff. I like that too.
I like the sauteed better.
Like sauteed better than fried?
More flavor in it.
Mm-hmm. Well, it basically has no flavor at all, so it really just takes on whatever flavor you want to cook with it.
Well, you should have like marinated this and then breaded it.
Ooh, yeah. So that would be a good idea. Marinate the air fried stuff so it gets a flavor of its own before you bread it. I just don't know if marinating it, if the mushroom would fall apart or not, but because they don't hold together very well on their own. But I don't know. If you have any beach ball looking mushrooms around your property, I'm not telling you to eat them, because if something happens to you, I don't want to be responsible. But if you can verify it's a puffball mushroom, they are perfectly edible, and you can pretty much mix them with, I guess, whatever you want, since they have no real flavor of their own. And worth a try. That concludes my my cooking lesson, I guess. This is why I don't do cooking content. You're welcome.